Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so. Mr. and there your first time will have subscribe and click notification bell now. Am I Metro send your best will screen so. Na trese eba nobody so start pepe am I. Kwame A+ then send me atuja. Me pese ye kasa efa ho very wild allegations. Send your best subscribe no and no any down screen so Mr. ye nesa pepe am I. Na latest news bi aba won sa ebeka. Assembling and Kwame A+ what they abetuja extremely wild allegations and me din kan e kan no say yeni ya yebeka ya say yeni ya kai emra nanaba na mo awoko kasa ya sebe nkofo hu say asema woka no yetwi Akufo-Addo MPP communicator wo London wo ba bonten ebekeka nsem fa nanaba na mo ho say nanaba na mo sebe woni na downfall ekunu eneda no ya shawo ene den no na Kwame A+ den nsem ya betojo we bisa say why now asem ne say na naba na mo ekọ KSM show so ena wokoka say wono na naba na mo de won tiasio na Ghana ha say de wo bi pese wo di oba tempe o so oba ne ya shawo no na naba na mo ano sebe bebi a we tru e wa abrabom no wo be frɛ na shawo a wono emfa ne ho ewom se won ware ye eya na nkrofo epese wo mo hwe se na naba na mo no sebe woni be ma ben na eda woni be ma ben na atwempena no se da bio ono na naba na mo no woni public position mu na se woni be ma bi eda like how will it affect the price of kinky in this country nti eya na nkrofo di na tem se wo de woni be ma we eda woni be ma we da woni ono de o se mbado wo ho da ye di o mo atensa na eya na eyo mo ya bo no na naba na mo no de enye ne ya na asem we na Kwame A+ waba abe comment e wo so na asem Kwame A+ de tu dwa no Ghana fo bebre kire wo ma adwen na eho na kyese wo kasa ya etwi na Akufo-Addo no me pese me read caption ensem Kwame A+ o kan me read ya na kyese ya chia ensem ne so asem we no kan say they said Nanado is a weed smoker. We said he is not. We defended him because yes, he is not. They said Nanado sniffs cocaine. We said no, he does not. It's just lies. They said Nanado killed his wife. We said no, he will never do such a thing. He is a good man. They said Nanado is arrogant. We said no, he is a confident man. We spent close to 10 years defending him till he became president. The A+ can say, Wusha ayane cry first no na Ghana bo beti yes Nanado wo shi wi A+ say that time no wo babonti e be defending Nanado yes Nanado say be wo twi cocaine A+ wo babonti be defending Nanado say ene ne cry na nkofo nim we but Nanado ne yere sisia eye Rebecca Akufo-Addo no enye wo no na twese ye beka say wo Nanado ne first wife Nanado first wife no de say be wo free mu na Nanado sanso be ebe ware ya wo be ware Rebecca no na nkrofo ede ye politics na Nanado nankasa na kun ne first wife no no so Kwame A+ say atam no babontin e be defending Nanado say enya ne kre na for 10 good years no A+ would defending Nanado until say Nanado ebe than the president na aha say e na ensem no wono was it today when Nanaba na mo simply asks what he has done as president he sends his people to insult and call her ashawo munti asem ni ye. Was it today when Nanaba Namwa simply asks what he has done as president, he sends his people to insult and call her ashawo? Kwame A+ say, and Nanaba Namwa ebisa Nanado say Nanado uko Volta region na woni omoko kasa no na nke ni kwan say wokodi Mahama tem wo ho. De wo say wokọ kan ene say me bae no we na mayama Volta region fo. Na Kwame A+ Nanaba Namwa eka asasem ne tre Nanado no. Nanado ene sene MPP for nti sa MPP ni na wo baaye ebe frɛ Nanaba na mo ahyawo ni no Kwame A+ say eye na Akufo-Addo ena wo sene sa ni pakro no se wo mbedi Nanaba na mo atem eye huge allegation na Kwame A+ for to Nanado so no I say yes it is Nana, he hears everything, he has not condemned it, he is enjoying it, he supports it. I say eye na kre eye Nanado just say eya na eye bi mo say oh Nanado de sisibe wonte de ekoso wo hu o se hwe bibia bonim de ekoso bia wote bibia na ne so ne ne gide ekoso bia ho wose Nana Addo sanso support say ye bedi Nana Aba na Moatem say wo ye eye ahyawo no na de ekoso wo Ghana bia say de ye bone no Nana Addo ne ni so ne ni hu a ne ni eje de oye ho sanso support it. Was it this is very disappointing. The president this is very disappointing. Was it this president is not my Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the world-class diplomat I knew in 2007 and 2008. Was it Embra wonim Nana Addo 2007 2008 no na say we ye wo ben me bia utumi say yes we the diplomat wo bune ho wo ye bibia agenda ho na sisi ade utumi say dabi nipa wote so sisi ano wonya sa Nana Addo na onno Kwame A+ wonim no na bo be bisa say Kwame A+ asema wo ken unim Nana Addo wa he. If you don't know those times no Kwame A+ kra edisika. Yes, oye ejuma ma satan na oye ejuma ma Nana Addo oye campaign ma Nana Addo ne ye chia ne ka ne nyama. Ono akasa de ne sika kra eye campaign eye float e ma Nana Addo that time no. Na ade a we very close to Nana Addo. No ne net na se bon komo wo mo tena se chele ne nyama. It was in 2007 2008 Nana Addo na wonim no. Dabi president na wote so sisia no enye ono. Na I don't know, but at this particular point in time, Kwame A+ is sounding like an opposition member because Mekai earlier this year, Kwame A+ say na wo bashi MPP na ya na we yi Nana Addo efrim. Say ono de wo hu ne say nkrofo bia eben Nana Addo e na say de wo mudi sa nyambra nsem we. But ende Kwame A+ ba bonte amayati asese ne kre Nana Akufo-Addo na say de nsem we ni a wo sha ase. To the extent say NPP communicator said be wodi Nana Aba na Moatem no Kwame A+ say eye Nana Addo na boss and nipa ko na pa. Allegation we dey esun papa petifo nye easy. Kwame A+ na e kan o. Say Nana Addo na bo eye san nipa ko na pa say won be di eye Nana Aba na Moatem enfe na ahyawo. This one there, A+. I think A+ has gone too far. The credit waka. I mean, to be fair, I mean, you need homo, but come on. Nana Addo can't send will be say one be free. Nana Aba na Moa ashawo. I mean, so what time Nana Addo said then crana things like this you don't need to say. Actually, I said sometimes they told you be nkofa wo mo kasa crana. Wo mo enim Nana Addo. Womu nshia Nana Addo da. Izebebo nipa kwa no obedi eye Nana Aba na Moatem wo friend ashawo no. Sa nipa ko ne grad stress won hu Nana Addo fili krada. Just say wo ye MPP ni. Inti ende Kwame A+ so trend say MPP ni bia kasa na trese Nana Addo na asoma nipa ko na this is too petty from Kwame A+. This is extremely petty. And you say yes so in same way Kwame A+ what they to join so dabi. And you see yes so ba ko say na ebema makai assembly a Reverend Owusu Bempah so di tuja na say Reverend Owusu Bempah ye nim say wono so oka assembly a na nkrofa ba bonten ya beka say o sisi be Nana Addo na de nsem na hye Reverend Owusu Bempah no say wonka na say Reverend Owusu Bempah beka assembly meni je ye wo say na Ghana fo no mo eye mo say jama Nana Addo no oyobi a woda ho sa akeke a je say eye ya na Reverend Owusu Bempah no wo fa ne car bo se me ko Nana Addo ho na wako o se da bi o Nana Addo no a respectable man untumi so we say wo ko ne ho sa o na jama ya nkrofo bi se Owusu Bempah ne de bia wo ne Nana Addo kasa wo phone so ana bibisa wo se da bi Nana Addo no konya no wa he chese wo ye panyi wo be feri ne nim kra inti Ghana fo onu Owusu Bempah de asem metuja yes ye Nana Addo na asoma wo se sa asem na ya na ne sere no Nana Addo ne ka on kai the last time I won ne twetwe nkomo na Ghana for the eti baby a ya na ye yense inti asem wo Kwame A+ iken wa asem Kwame A+ iken mo hwe to asum inti ende Kwame A+ ase ye ka se ebia abronye DC eba abonten ebedi wo no A+ na tema chese Nana Addo na soma abronye se won be di A+ atema na. I mean, the president has a lot of president no asa adwendwen e da ne so no enye adwendwen we na chese se wo be so ma wo bi se nipa ko ne be di Nana Aba na Moatem no be friend na sha wo dabi we dear. Montreal, comment box, my for Medase.